Hey guys, it's me, Damien again. I'm playing on Minecraft, like you requested. I'm not on survival yet, because, well, I'm just not right now, because me, Lewis, and Bailey are currently doing something. So if you can't see my face properly, it's just the camera's a bit, of a douche, so, yeah. So you should have a bit more colour. Yeah, so here's our Minecraft world. Shall I get it out for you? Right, Lois is also on my Google Plus. Top screen you want to focus on. If you can see it. Can you see it? Oh my god. Sorry, it's just I'm not used to maneuvering the camera. Oh, forget it. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on the top screen. Okay, so the top screen, the big white and glass object is something Bailey made on Minecraft today. This is how I tried for the sword that you made me. It is a terrible attempt, I know. Sorry about that. I did a G. I did a little D and G. You can see that. Sorry, it probably just looks so messed up from your view. So yeah, it's actually a D and G, but for some reason it's opposite, direction. And that is the sword. Yes, I know it's very bad. Don't hate me. Please don't. Some diamond swords here that Lewis made. Yeah. And oh look, Lewis has made a little sign here. Oh god damn. So yeah, guy Billy, move, Lewis, move out the way. Lewis, get out of the way. Yeah, if you can't read what it says, because it's probably backwards, it says hi Giz and everyone. Yeah, it probably does look backwards. But whatever. And this here is a house that Lewis built for us. It's by Lewis. Very new. Write the door down, because, So yeah, see, Lewis decorated this, but I did a bit of editing. Bailey's dogs are stalking him. So yeah, this is just how the room is, by a fire. And a tub and some flowers. I'm terrified. It's watching me. So yeah, hope you like it. Hang on guys, I'm hearing something from Lewis. Yeah, Lewis.
Sorry, dog.
Never mind, dude. There's Tegan.
Hello.
There's my sister. Yeah. Bye.
Just shoot it.
Exit.